Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing the Yuxin Little Magic, which is from Cube Lilo. And yeah, so basically, let's just get right into the package here. So I'm really excited for this cube. Actually, I've heard a lot of good things about this. So here we go. So there's some packaging along with the cube and some paperwork. So here we have the cube, and yeah, so package is the actual box of the cube. And let's just we don't want to tear this box apart. Let's try to open it from here we go. We're in. This is a stickerless version. Oh, it does not come with plastic wrap around it, so that's kind of weird. Here's the cube itself. So my first impressions are that this is crunchy, as what I've heard from other YouTube videos. And here's this guide to algorithms and stuff which comes along. So let's just jump right into the first impression. So holding this cube in the hand, it already feels a bit smaller, and I've heard this is smaller, about 55.5 millimeters across. Let's see what we got here. Oh my god, that's fast. Oh my god. I feel the tensions are a bit loose. Let's see. Yeah, they're pretty loose. Uh, so yeah, that's pretty much what this cube's all about. So let's take a look at the pieces here. This cube is quite tight. I mean, the pieces are fixed together quite nicely, and although the tensions are a bit loose, let's see if we can. Yeah. So this is the corner piece right here. Resembles the wall, and yeah, and this is the edge piece. The two-piece mechanism with the edge and the standard three-piece mechanism with the corner. Let's put this thing together. Okay, so the color shades are also quite contrasting, as you can see the checkerboard pattern. And yeah, so that's about it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Yuxin Little Magic. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.